tube to make some ATV ramps. A quick design sketch for 3.6 metre folding ramps. Cut around 200 pieces up on a Triton cold saw. This is my welding setup for making the ramps. I've got a heap of inch tube there. It's 1.2 wall thickness. Most of the lengths are around 900, and I'm welding them together lengthwise so that I've got 1800 lengths for the ramps. Each half of the ramp's going to be about 1800 long, then hinged in the middle, so there'll be 4 halves making up 2 ramps, and each half has got 4 stringers, which are these pieces, so there's 16 stringers required to make the 4 halves. And then the rungs of the ramps are going to be 200 long, welded between the stringers, making the total surface area of the ramp 250 wide, which I think will be adequate. And I'm hoping that using up all of this scrap material is going to be a strong enough solution. That's the new welder set up over there. I've got the handpiece on the end here, the earth clip, and a series of clamps to clamp along this jig to keep the pieces straight. I've welded up the top rung sections on the 4 halves. A series of spacers are welded between the top and bottom stringers. A section is tested before the hinge and end details are fabricated. Pretty happy with the results. Static test and then a dynamic test, very little deflection there, so I'll proceed with this construction method.